Thumbnail vibes, you know what's going on. It's your boy Big J97, you know what I'm saying, once again, and we back with another exclusive. We got them Adidas X M&M Form 84 lows, man. You see the big M&M on the front, you see the Adidas on the front, you see the Adidas on the side, you see the Adidas X M&M on the other side, you see the tag on this side, then you see the Adidas X M&M on the other side, and then if you didn't know, the box slide. Yes sir. And you got all the M&Ms on the box. Crazy with it. Hey, cop these from I almost said ThoughtX. I copped these from StockX for under retail. For under retail, I copped them on StockX. Brand new, dead stock, all that, man. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna bust the shoes out, then we're gonna get into the accessory bag. Oh yeah, show y'all the paper. M&M X Adidas all on the paper. M&M X Adidas all on the paper. Paper kind of ripped up. It came ripped up. So just, you know, fuck the paper, honestly. Just fuck the paper, bro, because the paper just, slide the box up, put it to the side. And here we go. Lay down tag out the way. The Adidas / M&M'S Form Low 84, man. Crazy shoe, man. This is all thick rubber. Thick rubber tab. Adidas logo on the back. M&M's on the front. It is multi-layered, as you can see right there. It is multi-layered. The 3 stripes, each have 3 stripes. I don't know if I ever seen that. Everything on this shoe is leather. Tongue, leather. What the back of the tongue say? Something about the 3 stripes in the brand. I can't read it because it looked like it's in another language. I ain't gonna lie to you. You got the M. M&M M on the tote box, man. Oh yeah, and I guess it is like this on every form. Right side up, upside down, Adidas logo. Adidas on every little dot, the original logo. Yeah, this that same type of material just like on the other one. The leather on this is super smooth. I don't know what type of leather they would call this, but it's hella smooth. When I say every crevice is just leather, every crevice is leather. There's nothing that's not leather for real. Let me show y'all these. See if I can catch that for you. M&M X Adidas on that inside. See that insole? That's a cool insole. Oh, and this inside is like the brown, like the chocolate on the inside of the M&M. That's a dope feature. On the strap, it look like it's M&M's inside the strap. It's like a little bubble. M&M on the side right here, swap outable. It's swappable, bro. Here's a cool feature too. Lace. I don't know what you would call these, like lace ornaments, I guess. You got the red M&M, and it says, "Why yes, I am the red M&M's guy." You got a couple more of those in the accessory bag too. I'm gonna show y'all. Let's look at the other one. Let's look at the other one. On this one, we got a yellow swappable M&M. Crazy. Same tab, multi-layered as you can see. Adidas on the back, as it must be. Smooth leather all the way around. 3 stripes with the 3 stripes. M on the toe box. M on the toe box, man. Adidas leather on here. I think it got the same, almost the same insole. Cool insole though. Yeah, cool insole. Cool insole. Same tongue on here, but I'm gonna show y'all something cool with these straps. I ain't mean to say tongue, I meant to say strap. Well, let's break into this accessory bag. Show y'all all the other cool shit that comes with these shoes. This is a bunch of shit. It's a bunch of shit, man. So you got the M&M on the bag, Adidas X M&M on the bottom. It's a cool little small drawstring. First thing we got is a whole bag of straps. Let's bust these open. So you got 2 straps with the M&M logo in the bubble. 2 of those. You got 2 more straps with Mr. Yellow M&M's himself and the logo on them. That's hard. You got 2 more straps with the Adidas logo. So you get three straps, 3 extra sets of straps, which brings you a total of 4 sets of straps. There they go right there. M&M's in it, Adidas in it, and then the M&M with the yellow M&M man on it. 3 sets of straps plus the one that's in the shoe for a total of 4 sets of straps. That's a lot of straps, bro. That came in this bag. All right, let's open the next one. It's a bunch of bags in here, man. Set of red laces. Set of orange laces. What color is this? Looks like green. I can't quite see it. Set of green laces. Or it might be brown shit. Here goes a set of green laces. Set of blue laces. Now let's get into these other bags. Got some crazy bags. We got more M&M buttons. Let's show y'all. There's a couple different ones actually. We got the orange M&M button. Go right here on the side. This button. Cool, cool. Blue button. Cool, cool. Looks like a brown button. Colors fucking with me a little bit, you know. My eyes fucked up. Cool, cool. Green button. Put this one on the other shoe. The yellow and the green button. And then an Adidas original button. Fire. Show y'all what else we got. It's another bag. Shoestrings things at the end. I don't know what you call them exactly. But we got the yellow M&M one for the end of the laces. Brown M&M one for the end of the laces. Green M&M one for the end of the laces. Red M&M one for the end of the laces. Blue M&M one for the end of the laces. Oh, that was orange, my bad. And then here go the yellow for the end of the laces. And of course, Adidas Originals for the end of the laces. Now, you know me, I'm gonna figure out a way to put every single one of these on the shoes. There has to be a way. I'm putting every single one of them on the shoes, bro. I'm gonna put them back in their little bags. But here we got some little extra M&M people and phrases. Let's see if they match or like go together or anything. Okay. Oh, okay. Yes, they do go together. They got colors around the edges that show you which one go with which. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. Okay, so we got the blue guy. Crazy quality on that. But then y'all can see his says you stay classy like me. And then his has the blue outline. See that blue outline around what his says? That's how you know they go together. Okay, so that's the blue one. We got the green lady. Hers says, I melt for no one. There we go. Got the green outline for that one. That's pretty cool. That's a cool one. We got the brown one that says, not your average chocolate. Crazy. Then we got orange, says, I'm doomed. That's wild, bro. That's wild. Those are all the accessories that comes with those shoes. So we got 6 sets of M&M lace jewels with their phrases. So that's 4 extra sets, including 2 that's already come on the sneaker, which is the yellow guy and the red guy. Then you also get the brown lady, the green lady, the blue guy, and the orange guy. You got 6 of these, 6 extra of these. The yellow one, the blue one, the red one, the orange one, the green one, the brown one, and the ADIDAS original. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extra laces. Red laces, orange laces, brown laces, green laces, blue laces. And then you got all these extra straps. 3 sets of extra straps. Total of 4 sets of straps. It's a crazy shoe, man. This was a crazy collab. This is one of the best ones I've seen yet. It's better than the Home Alone, for sure. Better than the Home Alone, for sure. Oh yeah, and let's not forget all the M&M buttons. But, hey, like I always say, man, to the next video. Like if you want to, subscribe if you want to, comment if you want to, because at the end of the day, you're going to do what you want to do. Until the next video, man, I'm out. Just go tell your stepsister to tell her, to tell your mama side nigga that he need to tell his kids to come and subscribe, because we getting to it on this side. To the next video, man. I'm out.